How can I download and install Hulu on my Hisense Smart TV?
Welcome to this quick and easy guide to downloading and installing the Hulu app on your Hisense Smart TV. We will walk you through the entire process step by step so you can start enjoying your favorite shows and movies without delay.
What is Hulu?
Hulu is a popular streaming service offering a wide array of TV shows, movies, and even live TV. It's a great platform if you love staying updated with your favorite series or exploring new ones. For this guide, we assume you already have a Hulu subscription. If not, please subscribe via their official website.
Is Hulu available on Hisense Smart TV?
Yes, it is. Hisense Smart TVs support the Hulu app through their inbuilt app store. However, the availability may depend on your region and the model of your Hisense TV.
How to download and install Hulu?
Let's get down to business. Here's how you can download and install Hulu on your Hisense Smart TV. 1. Turn on your Hisense Smart TV. 2. Using your remote, navigate to the home screen. 3. Select the App Store option. This will take you to the Hisense App Store. 4. Use the search function in the App Store to search for Hulu. 5. Select the Hulu app from the search results. 6. Click on the Install or Download button to start the download. The exact wording of this button can vary depending on your region or model. 7. Once downloaded, the app should automatically install. Remember, the process might take a few minutes depending on your internet speed.
How to log into Hulu on Hisense Smart TV?
After installing Hulu, you will need to log in to start using it. 1. Open the Hulu app from your home screen or app section. 2. Select Log In, enter your Hulu credentials, and then select Submit. If you're new to Hulu, you may need to set up an account first on another device, like a computer or mobile phone. 3. Now you should be able to browse and enjoy the Hulu content. That's it. You've successfully installed Hulu on your Hisense Smart TV. Now, grab your popcorn, settle into your couch, and enjoy your favorite shows and movies on Hulu. We hope this guide was helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful guides and tips.